Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Adobe Premiere Pro projects using Media Encoder, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Navigate to the top menu and select File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export. Choose Media to open the Export Settings window. In the Export Settings window, adjust your format and preset according to your needs. Ensure you select the correct sequence if working with multiple timelines. Next, locate the Q button in the bottom right corner and click it. This action will open Adobe Media Encoder automatically. In Adobe Media Encoder, you will see your project added to the queue. Review the settings in the queue panel to confirm everything is correct. If necessary, you can adjust the output file name and destination. To do this, click on the file path next to Output File. Choose the location where you want to save your project and give it a meaningful name. After confirming the settings, look for the green Start Queue button in the upper right corner. Click on Start Queue to begin the encoding process. Monitor the progress in the queue panel during the encoding process. Once the encoding is complete, check the destination folder to ensure the file is saved successfully. For added security, consider backing up your Premiere Pro project files to an external hard drive or cloud storage. Regularly repeat these steps to keep your projects backed up as you work. This method ensures your projects are safely stored and easily accessible for future editing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.